Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. When designing reports, it's important to have a clear view of the report structure and its elements. The Report Explorer feature in bold reports helps you get exactly that by displaying the entire report structure in a tree view, making it easier to manage and navigate report items. In this video, I will show you how to use the Report Explorer in the Bold Reports Designer. This feature works in both the web and desktop report designers, but I'll use the web version for this demo. Let's get started. First, I create a new report in the report server, naming it Report Explorer. I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server, and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. I use none as the authentication type, since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset and switch to code mode because I already have an SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to create the dataset. Before adding the table, I'll add a header. I enable the header area, add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text, and resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and type Sales Order Details. Next, I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, we can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now the header has been added. Next, I need to add a table to display sales details. I add a table, and then add the necessary columns. I give it headers. And format them. I assign corresponding values to the data row and format them as well. Since the currency values need to be displayed in currency format, I select the unit price and change the format to currency with 2 decimal places. Once the values are assigned to the table, I apply some basic formatting to enhance their appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value row. Now I will show you how to use the Report Explorer in bold reports. In the right navigation bar of the designer surface, you can see the Report Explorer icon. I click the icon to open the Report Explorer panel. The Report Explorer displays a tree view of a report's RDL structure, organizing elements under these sections for easy navigation. Each item is represented as a node in the tree, and you can expand or collapse these nodes to view their child elements. Here, each report element is identified by its name and type. As you can see, the Tablix icon in the label Tablix indicates the type of report item, while Tablix 1 represents its name. The Report Explorer panel updates dynamically in real time as you modify the report in the design area. I add a text box report item in the design surface. As you can see, it immediately appears in the hierarchical structure of the Report Explorer, reflecting its position within these sections. Next, I remove the text box report item from the design surface. It is instantly removed from the Report Explorer, too. When I select the report item in the design surface, it automatically highlights the corresponding item in the Report Explorer. A background color indicates the selection, reflecting seamless interaction between the design surface and the panel. When I select a child item in the design, the parent node in the hierarchical structure automatically expands to show the selected child item. Finally, let me show you how the search functionality works in the Report Explorer panel. When I search for a report item by name, the results appear in a parent-child hierarchy, making it easy to identify the item's exact position within the report structure. In this video, I have shown you how to use the Report Explorer in the Bold Reports Report Designer. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.